Today, guys, we were buying the pound, but unfortunately, the price broke below support, and once it broke below support, guys, it went on to hit our bearish targets. So, guys, what is going to happen today, guys? As long as the price stays below 1.34743, guys, we are still bearish. To truly become bullish, guys, we need to break above this. And remember, if we do break above this, we will have a double bottom, which would easily lead us to 1.35168. Okay, guys. And guys, my next target would be my next bearish target would be 1.34031. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow. Be careful, guys. It's Friday, so it's be very careful on Fridays.